Past progressive tense. Signal word. While. Usage. An action happened in the middle of another action. Someone was doing something at a certain time in the past. You don't know whether it was finished or not. Form was were plus per infinitive plus ing. Affirmative, negative, and interrogative for past progressive tense. I was working when you were there. I was not working when you were there. Was I working when you were there? He was working last night. He was not working last night. Was he working last night? You were cooking when I arrived. You weren't cooking when I arrived. Were you cooking when I arrived? She was cooking when he came home. She wasn't cooking when he came home. Was she cooking when he came home? We, you plural, or they were playing football yesterday. They were not playing football yesterday. Were they playing football yesterday? While the building was burning, I saw that. The building wasn't burning when I saw that. Was the building burning when I saw that?